I still remember the day I Googled what is R programming. That search changed my life. I came from a place where opportunity was hard to come by. But down in me, I was hungry for more. Yes, I was privileged to be in school, but I wanted more than just education. I wanted a way out. I didn't know how, but I knew I had to rise. Then one day, I stumbled onto something that would change my life completely. That thing is R programming. No mentor, no paid course, just me, a second-hand laptop, the internet, Google, YouTube, and a stubborn drive to figure things out. Struggle a lot, but I stopped with it. For my first line of R code, I kept going. I built small projects. I learned by doing. Over time, I earned a PhD in statistics. I led big world data projects, and I helped others grow, all through R. Now, it is no longer about me, it's about you. Even if you have never typed a single line of R code, even if R seems too hard or too technical, you are not alone. I will guide you step by step, from your first line of R code to your first R project. This isn't just a YouTube channel, it's a movement. Place where ordinary people with limited chances can learn, grow, succeed against all odds using R. A space where beginners find their way and where people like you finally get the chance you deserve. So, if you are serious about learning R, not just watching tutorial, but truly understanding, building, and belonging, hit the subscription button. Let's write your story with R.